Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to hide your followers on Instagram. Alright, there's one setting that we have to turn on, so tap right in the bottom on our profile, then tap on the three lines right in the top, and then from here go to account privacy. Now I have a public account, but I want to turn on the private account button, switch to private, and from now our account is on private mode. That means that only my followers can see who I'm following, and beside that no one can see who I'm following. So turn this on, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please smash a like. Thanks for watching.